Get ready to experience Germany's tallest waterfalls right here in Triberg, where every step feels like a fairy tale come alive. Today on YumMiles, we are exploring the breathtaking Triberg Waterfalls in the heart of the Black Forest. Famous for its dramatic cascades, scenic trails, and rich traditions, Triberg is the perfect spot for both adventure and peace. These waterfalls tumble down 7 steps, reaching a height of 163 meters. The roar of the water echoes through the forest, and as you get closer, you can feel the coolness brushing against your skin. Have you ever seen nature put on a show just for you? Out of nowhere, the wind picked up and the leaves started falling everywhere. It honestly felt like the forest was throwing a little party for us. Triberg is more than just a waterfall. The trails are alive with wildlife, and the town nearby is famous for cuckoo clubs and Black Forest traditions. Entry cost just €8 per person, giving access to multiple paths and viewpoints. It's an easy and rewarding experience for families, hikers, and photographers. Standing here is like walking into a postcard. Cool mist, rushing water, and the calm of a forest. If you're in the Black Forest, make sure Triberg is in your list. Thanks for joining me on YumMiles. See you on the next adventure.